Thank you for joining us today at Apple Park, and welcome to WWDC.
Apple just released the first developer beta of macOS 27 Golden Gate, and I installed it less than 24 hours ago. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download and install it safely, what to do before upgrading, and whether it's actually worth trying right now. Let's dive in. Hi guys, welcome back to 4DDIG. First things first, does your Mac support macOS 27 Golden Gate? macOS Golden Gate completely drops support for Intel Macs. It only works on Apple Silicon Macs. That means M1 or newer. Go to the Apple menu in the top left greater than About This Mac. You'll see your chip right there. If you're still using an Intel-based Mac, like the 2019 16-inch MacBook Pro or 2020 iMac, unfortunately, macOS Golden Gate won't be available for your machine. I'll link the full official compatibility list in the description. Since this is a beta, it might have bugs. If possible, try it on a secondary Mac first instead of your daily driver. Before touching anything, back up your data. If you don't like this version later and want to downgrade, this backup will be crucial. Here's exactly what I recommend and what I did. Connect a big external drive, at least as large as your internal storage. Open System Settings, then General, Time Machine. Click Add Backup Disk, select your drive, and start the backup. It creates a backup of your files, apps, settings, and system data, making it much easier to restore your Mac if anything goes wrong. Depending on how much data you have, this can take 30 minutes to a few hours. Alright, your data is safe. Let's install it. For MacBooks, make sure you're connected to power, using a stable Wi-Fi connection, and have at least 50 gigabytes of free storage available. You need an Apple ID with access to Apple's developer beta updates. If you haven't signed up yet, head over to developer.apple.com and register with your Apple ID. It's free. Open System Settings, General, and Software Update. Click the info icon next to Beta Updates, select macOS Golden Gate 27 Developer Beta. Your Mac will download the installer. It's several gigabytes, so the download may take a while depending on your internet speed. Once it's ready, it will prompt you to restart. During installation, you'll see the Apple logo and a progress bar. Don't interrupt the process. Your Mac will restart a couple of times. When you log back in, you'll be running macOS 27 Golden Gate. After using it for a day, app launches feel a bit snappier, as the overall system feels surprisingly polished for an early beta release. One of the biggest highlights is the improvement to liquid glass. Apple finally gave us control. You can now adjust the transparency with a new slider in System Settings Appearance. Go from ultra-transparent all the way to fully opaque or frosted glass. It also unifies the window corner radius, fine-tunes global transparency, shadow intensity, and contrast. The readability of text in sidebars and the control center is noticeably better. Spotlight and System Search also feel more responsive, and search results appear more consistent than before. Are you installing macOS 27 Golden Gate on day 1? Or are you waiting for the public beta? If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more hands-on guides, and hit the bell. Drop your Mac model and first impressions in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.